It's really getting bad now. Who said it? Lencho said. Oh my God. It's really getting bad now. Who said it?
Lencho.
Why? Because rain was okay. But hailstorm was harmful to his crop field. That's why Lencho said it's really getting bad now. Exclaimed the man. The man means Lencho. Lencho exclaimed. I hope it passes quickly. Who said it? Lencho said it. Lencho wished that the hailstorm should pass immediately, otherwise it will destroy my crop. But the hailstorm did not pass quickly. It rained for 1 hour, continuous long 1 hour. Could you understand? What a bad luck came for Lencho. Was not it a bad luck for Lencho? So, it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. Could you understand what happened? Lencho wished the hailstorm to pass quickly, but it did not happen. Rather, the hailstorm rained for a long 1 hour. Could you understand? The field was white as if covered with salt, and the entire crop field was filled with what? Hailstones. And those hailstones looked like stars. Could you understand? Could you understand what Lencho had expected? And what happened? Lencho had expected that the good rain would bring him a good crop. But when the rain was followed by hailstones, his dream, his expectation, his everything was gone. Lencho, who was very happy to see or to sing the rain, became sad. Could you understand? Now let's have meaning. Satisfactory expression means what in Oriya? Santushta bhaga bhangi. Let's make a sentence. When I got a pen, I thanked him. I thanked my father with a satisfactory expression. Could you understand? My father brought a pen for me. I was happy. I was satisfied. So, in a satisfactory expression, I thanked my father. Similarly, next word is regarded. Regarded. Its Oriya meaning is सम्मान करिबा, मनी करिबा, thought, consider. Could you understand? I always give regards to my elders. This is in a noun form. Regarded a verb form, regarded noun form. So, Lencho regarded raindrops as silver, gold coins. Could you understand? Next word is draped. draped, that means covered or dressed. Could understand? Now let's make a sentence using the word draped. Could understand? Oh, the farmer was working in the field. So he was draped in sweat. Could understand? Or you can say the farmer is working in the field and he is draped with sweat. SWEAT, sweat. Right? Next word is hailstones. Its Oriya meaning is kuapatar, pellet of hail. Could understand? Now let's use in a sentence. Hailstones, what did I say? Hailstones look like salt pieces. Or hailstones are white. Could understand? Or hailstones are very cold. Now next word. Resemble. Look alike. Look alike. I resemble to my father. I resemble to my father. Okay. He resembles his father. He resembles his father. Next word is as if. As though. Oriya meaning is satte jepari. Could understand? Okay. So he sang a song as if a good singer. Could understand? He played cricket like Sachin Tendulkar. That is it's a wrong use. Because we have to use as if. Could understand? Another word is he is giving me advice as if my parents. Could understand? So these were the word dealing and sentence making. Okay. Today we discussed about 2 paragraphs of the prose, a letter to God. We shall have more discussion about the rest of the prose in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.